Hey guys, today we have the all-new 2022 Lexus NX. In case you wonder what the Lexus NX is, it is a compact SUV that competes with an Audi Q5, BMW X3, Mercedes GLC, Jaguar F-Pace, or a Volvo XC60. For 2022, Lexus completely redesigned the NX, and yes, you heard me right, this is an all-new model. At first glance, the second gen looks more like a facelift, but true changes are on the inside and underneath. It's based on a very good TNGA-K platform and has received revised powertrain options, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. So, let's take a deeper look at the new NX here in a 350F Sport handling variant and see how it drives. Alright, so let's start with the powertrain. The NX 350 is powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, generating 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, available at just 1700 RPM. The engine is paired to a very smooth 8-speed conventional automatic, and the whole combination works well, but I wasn't happy with the fuel economy. During my week with the NX, I averaged 20 miles per gallon in the city, 27 on highway, and 23 combined, which is acceptable, but I would probably lean towards a 304 horsepower plug-in hybrid variant rated at 84 mpge and providing about 37 miles of electric range. The ride quality is great, and even with 20-inch wheels that my tester had, the car is very compliant over bumps and filters out all road imperfections very well. The F-Sport handling variant gets adaptive dampers and it inspires confidence, feeling more European than its predecessor, but still, it prefers more relaxed driving. When it comes to driver assist features, the NX, even the base model, is pretty well equipped. It comes standard with an adaptive cruise control including curve adaptation, lane keeping assist, automatic braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams. A 360-degree camera and parking sensors are optional. The whole safety suite works a lot better compared to the previous generation, being less intrusive and more precise. Unlike the exterior, which is more of an evolution compared to the predecessor, the interior of the NX has been completely redesigned. First thing you see when you step in is a huge 14-inch touchscreen which finally runs a modern operating system. It is relatively easy to use and responsive, but it isn't flawless. During my week with the NX, I had multiple issues with it. The system froze on multiple occasions, wouldn't respond to the touch, or lose connection with my phone no matter if I was using wireless Apple CarPlay or just a regular Bluetooth connection. The interior quality is great when it comes to both fit and finish and the materials used, but there is too much piano black plastic for my liking. Typically in Lexus fashion, the front seats are very comfortable, but those found in an F-Sport model have more aggressive bolstering, so if you're a bigger individual, they might seem, looking for a term here, too tight. Now moving to the back, there is enough headroom and legroom for 2 adults. You get a couple of USB-C ports to charge your devices, but unfortunately, the NX does not offer climate control for the second row like the competitors do. The trunk offers 22.7 cubic feet of space behind the second row and 46.9 cubic feet after folding it down. The new NX is the first Lexus product that I'm not entirely happy with. Yes, the ride is very refined, it handles better than the predecessor, and driving impressions in general are comparable to the European rivals, but the technology is what gave me a headache during my time with the NX, and that's something you interact with every day. As I mentioned earlier, I've had multiple software-related issues, and for the first time, I feel like Lexus released a beta product. There is a room for improvement, but fortunately, most of the issues can be solved with over-the-air updates. Pricing starts at $39,025 for the base, NX 250 model, and $42,625 for more powerful NX with all-wheel drive. If you wonder how I would spec out my NX, click the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.